Hi, today we're checking out the YEEZY slide in brand new colorway Dark Onyx. Crafted entirely from rubber foam, these slides offer exceptional comfort and lightweight wear. As for sizing, I recommend going up a size for optimal comfort. The exciting news is that this colorway is sitting on the Adidas Confirmed app now. It's important to note that Adidas ended its collaboration with Kanye West, so this is clearance of stock. If you've had your eye on these, this might be your last chance to grab them for retail price. So, what do you think about this YEEZY restock? Are you planning to cop a pair? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.